Hi, I'm Aaron Thomas, a prenup attorney based here in Georgia and the founder of prenups.com. Today, I want to share something crucial that most couples overlook: Georgia's prenup laws. When you say I do, you're not just joining your lives together, you're also entering a legal contract that's governed by Georgia's marriage laws. These laws automatically determine how your finances will be handled during your marriage and, if it comes to it, during a divorce. But here's the thing: these laws were written over 100 years ago, and they may not reflect what's fair or relevant to modern couples like you. Without a prenup, you're agreeing to the state's one size fits all approach. And trust me, that approach wasn't written with today's professionals, entrepreneurs, and high achievers in mind. That's where a prenuptial agreement comes in. In Georgia, a prenup allows you and your partner to decide what's best for your relationship. You can set rules for how property and assets would be divided, who's responsible for debts. You can protect your business or inheritance. You can decide how income is treated during the marriage, how you pay for things, your access to money and financial information during the marriage. You can address assets and debts you may accumulate in the future, not just things you own now, even whether you'd be required to do counseling before breaking up. It's like building a customized financial blueprint for your marriage. And the best part, you're not just planning for the worst case scenario, you're laying a foundation of transparency, communication, and fairness. Here's another important point. For a prenup to be enforceable in Georgia, it must meet a few legal requirements. You'll need full financial disclosure from both parties, normally a written schedule of each spouse's assets and debts. You'll need enough time to negotiate and review the terms, no last minute rush before the wedding. And you'll need access to separate representation. An attorney can only represent one side of the agreement. You're not required to have separate counsel, but each spouse has to have time and opportunity to speak to their own lawyer if they like. Your agreement must be signed, notarized, and in Georgia, signed by two witnesses in addition to the notary. Getting it right is key, which is why working with an experienced prenup attorney like me is so important. At prenups.com, we specialize in creating agreements that reflect your unique needs and goals. If you're considering a prenup or just want to learn more, let's talk. We'll make sure you feel informed, confident, and ready to start your marriage on the best possible footing. Thanks for watching, and here's to building a future as strong as the love you share. Click the link below to schedule a consultation or visit us at prenups.com. Let's start the conversation today.